What's up, guys? Do you want to learn about couples portraiture? Just like any portrait photography, it has its own set of challenges. However, it can be super fun and quite rewarding once you have a game plan set up in place. So, I'm going to teach you my approach and how to set up couples portrait photography in Las Vegas. So, if you're like me and you love shooting portraits but you want to level up your game and shoot couples portraits, this is the video for you. I'm going to show you my tips and process on how I approach the subject matter. Also, being in Vegas helps too, so enjoy some sexy B-roll and sit back, relax, and maybe you'll get some tips on how your photos can stand the test of time. So the first thing to do is actually, introduce yourself and explain your photography style. In my case, the couple that I'm shooting is actually good friends of ours, and they're trying to get us to move to Florida like ASAP. So anyway, that's the first thing. Explain your photography style. For me, in my case, I like to shoot a lot of candids, in the moment shots. Also, I kind of usually shoot through things to create like a layering effect, right? In this case though, they actually want a Vegas party feel vibe with a high contrast flash. So I'm gonna do that for them. They know my style on my Instagram, but that's the first case. Explain your style, introduce yourself, tell them what you're about, and take it from there. So we're here with the lovely couple doing a bedroom party shoot, jumping up on the bed. That's Kasaya and Anthony.
What's up?
These are the ones that want us to move to Florida like now. Today. Yep. So Kasaya actually had a frame of reference. She had a TikTok video showing what she really wanted to capture. And then on my end, I'm also looking at poses and other frames of reference, and then we kind of meet in the middle and try to take everything into account. So another tip is to take varying shots. You want to get a variety, you want to take it multiple times, and also you think you might have had the shot, but you want to take it again. Unfortunately, someone might be having their eyes closed, or when someone's jumping up and down, they don't know how to look at their partner lovingly and instead look like they're going on a roller coaster ride screaming for their life.
Like me.
But you want to take varying shots so you get every shot available to you. And then also shift it up a little bit. So we were in the bedroom, so now we're going to the hallway in the elevator to get more of those shots that Kasaya kind of referenced before, but also have a nice wide-ranging set of photos to take home. Yeah, there we go, look at that sunset. So another thing to do while shooting is to make sure your subjects are comfortable. Luckily, my boy here is very comfortable, making funny faces, jumping up and down, and riding elevators for fun.
Yes, Gabriel made us very comfortable. He came prepared, well prepared, made us extremely comfortable, me and my wife now. Appreciate you, Gabriel.
So another thing also is to actually ask questions like intimate, like weird things to make them laugh and giggle, like whisper your favorite fast food order in a sexy voice, or have you ever pooped with a book bag on?
What?
Yeah, because if they say yes, then there's a story behind that.
Yeah.
Tricks like this help them feel more comfortable. You'll get those candid, genuine shots of real laughter and joy, and then you'll have photos that really stand the test of time. And now our trip is coming to an end. So I hope you learned something new. Definitely do your research. Try to get aligned with your client, with your subjects, with your models, and get on the same page. Understand what they want to do. Bring something to the table. You can look at things like Unsplash.com or Unscripted is a really great app for couples portrait photography or really just general photography. They allow you to look at other poses for inspiration to copy from. And then they also allow you actually those questions, right? Like smell your partner's eyebrow. Things like that help your couple really get out of their comfort zone or get out of being guarded and allow them to be comfortable with you and comfortable with each other and get those genuine, sweet, intimate moments of them really, truly laughing with each other. It's a great app. There is a free version and then there's a paid version, but it's just a great tool to go out into the world and utilize it for your portrait photography. So I hope you learned something new. I hope you enjoyed beautiful Las Vegas. And until next time, peace.